this class?
No, we're not cutting one.
They explode.
Peter,
Okay.
show us the magic book that came with your 62 convertible.
So this is the manual that came with the car.
My God. it
Set
has
up by the
everything.
original owner. It was the appraisal when I bought the car. Well, before I bought the car, there was an appraisal done on it.
Ooh, and like you were saying earlier, they had the tan. And we
It had the
weren't on
tan originally. It's not good.
Yeah, the tan was not good.
The original owner's manual, Mr. Dennis kept, and he wrote everything inside here. Look at this. Every new resonator, new fuel pump, the date, new air filter with the mileage. I mean, he wrote everything in here. Isn't that cool?
Wow.
It's really impressive. You know how they see those in something that old.
And so his original name was Adam Dennis, Toledo, Ohio. From 1962 to 1988, he owned the car.
Wow.
And he documented everything by year. Here's the OLT sheet. This is the bill of sale with his trade. I think he traded something in. Here's the window sticker, $5,090.10.
Expensive in those days.
Yeah.
For 62, that was a lot of money.
Thunderbird.
Duh.
1963, and there's all the receipts. I mean, everything is in here. It's amazing. 64.
It's fun to see like how cheap stuff was to get fixed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Isn't that wild?
4 new tires, $25.
Yeah,
I know,
it's
right?
really cool. 65.
Oh, wait. We went to Firestone.
Firestone. Isn't that what Ford put on back then? It was a good year.
$9.20.
Yeah, for
$9. I'm sorry, $9.50.
For what? A balance or what?
Wheel alignment.
Oh,
The
okay.
alignment was
$7?
$7?
Super dowdy.
Can that be?
Wow.
Wow.
Front brakes check, $2.
$2.
These are for the dog, aren't they?
Yes.
Yeah, those aren't for Mike. Those are for the dog. We should have waited and watched.
Well, I was waiting. I'm like, okay, if
these.
that's,
Those are safer.
Oh, for me?
Yeah.
Yeah, this
Hold
is
on,
pretzels.
So
it'll be good for your teeth. You know, dental.
Your breath smells so good.
somewhere in here,
Yeah, that's
somewhere in
duck
here,
jerky.
there's a receipt for a motel
thank
because they
you.
had a flat tire, and they stayed at a motel, and they put the receipt of the motel in here. That was really kind of cool.
Was that a ticket?
No, that's a.
Firestone?
Oh, that looks like a ticket.
I don't think you didn't put no tickets in here.
Yeah.
I
That'd
think
been
I
funny.
don't know,
For
somewhere
flying off
there,
a cliff like in the
69. Sears. I used to work for Sears, and I remember these things. Fine, look, Firestone for some reason.
Wow. Ooh, 69. What do we have?
8-cylinder, dual exhaust, right and left. Did you get exhaust done?
Yeah, in 69.
Well, they lied it away. They weren't stainless.
Oh yeah, muffler.
October
There it
6th.
is, muffler.
Yeah. Well, probably in Toledo, you would have
a
eaten
lot.
that stuff pretty good.
Oh, yeah.
Tire warranty.
Holy Toledo.
Yeah, holy Toledo.
71.
Toledo.
Wow, that's like every.
It's really cool.
Everything.
I've never
It is-
seen
that
a
is so
car with that
nice.
good of a book.
And I went through this
Yeah, I
one
mean,
day.
I'm good,
like-
but I'm not that good.
Yeah, I went through this one day, like in detail, and I'm like, oh my god, this is like. Yeah, we got lazy. 73
Yeah,
to
we did
76.
3
They
years.
was getting lazy,
Yeah.
yeah. It's really kind of cool.
Wait, motor rebuilders. You see that?
Wow.
No, they just
Not
put
for,
wire
not for
In
20
'73, it had 74,000 miles.
And we got like 94 now. So what's in here, which is when they rebuilt the motor, the thing is in here, all the specs, which I didn't understand.
It's
it,
got
but
a full build sheet.
Well, then like they blueprinted it and everything.
yeah, because I gave it to my mechanic, and he goes, "This is a good engine rebuild." It was in Michigan. Is this it? No. This is my stuff.
Look at all that.
Fourth owner. Here's the guy that blew the engine, Dave Gentry. I spoke with him.
They blew the engine.
Yeah, he said he put some stuff in the oil and it blew the engine.
Oh man.
Oh no.
He wasn't a happy camper. But he has all the, he put all the stuff that. the
Ooh, Larry's
rebuilding
T-Bird. I
stuff.
bought from them.
What is that? Larry's. Oh, it's in here somewhere.
Heads Up Racing.
Yep, I think that's the place. Yeah, this is the place that did the 390 balance sheet. That one.
Oh yeah.
You would understand it.
Oh, that's bob weight numbers for the.
Pistons and pins,
Balancing it.
$901.
Oh no, that's grams. That's
grams?
that's doing the bob weight
Oh,
when you balance it.
Grams.
Is that good? Oh,
Yeah, when you
see,
balance
that
it, you make a bob weight, and then
Cool.
that's you spin it.
Got that in there.
Razor blade and a mirror, Scotty.
You know.
I think this is the. Maybe build sheet? Yeah.
Oh,
you go.
there it is.
Wow.
Heads Up Racing.
That's pretty
30
amazing
over
to have.
pistons, 30 over rings, Velcro gaskets, stock cam, Melling high volume oil pump.
2003 it was done.
So it's 20 years old.
Yeah, the motor's 20 years old, but
That seems
holy
like
moly,
yesterday.
Look at that.
Isn't that
So
wild?
is this the second owner or is this the original owner? still?
Stock valve
This is
job.
the third owner that,
Okay.
that blew
That
the
blew the
motor.
engine.
Yeah, I
How
think
many
I'm the
miles
first.
were on it then, and how many miles are on it now?
It's not much. Is it mileage on here?
No, I don't see any.
The mileage. It should be on this, though.
Oh, 82.8.
82.8. Okay. What do I got now? Like 90?
94,
Wow.
it says, yeah.
So boy, it hasn't been driven much at all since then.
No, this is the guy that put those wheels on it
Oh.
and changed the color and everything. And when I said to him, I'm going to get rid of the wheels, he got mad at me and he won't talk to me again.
What color was it?
We painted the interior was painted gold with aluminum trim. And he put
Ew.
this tan interior in there.
No,
And
yuck.
they put those fake wire wheels.
So they painted the trim gold?
Yeah, it was all gold. It was all gold.
Luckily, Mike, it's been reverted back
I
to
got it back.
nice.
Did it always have the rear seat cover?
The original owner bought it like a month after he bought the car for $60.
It's JJ.
So that's a factory one?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's-
wow.
That's an OEM one.
Because the
there's a
majority of them out
receipt.
there are reproductions.
There's a receipt for it in here for like $60.
Oh yeah, you showed us
I think this is it.
a little bit ago. No, it was for
Tono.
Oh yeah, there it is. Tono,
It's just
44.
$49.
Oh my god.
This
Yeah,
is
Alex,
quantity
you better
too,
get
though.
into that.
Good Firestone of all places.
No, that can't be it.
No, Tono.
Yeah, it can't be it though. I know it's in here. I've seen it. It was like $62 for.
Why do electric cars?
But he bought it like a month after he bought the car.
JJ!
JJ's in the house.
He's
Wow.
Woo!
Welcome back.
We're just going over Peter's
Oh, here it is.
entire book.
$144 for the tonneau cover.
Wow, look at that.
And he bought head bolts. $28? I don't know what that is.
And was that the bolts for that screw in the back? Because they would have had the drill in the deck.
Nollenberger Ford
Oh, maybe.
in Stony Ridge, Ohio. Look at that.
Luna.
Yeah,
So-
'cause those little things that hold it down are really rare now. So
Yeah, they're non-existent.
yeah.
Really?
So-
the two?
Mm-hmm.
So the car's name is Teresa because of the phone number at the Ford dealership was Teresa 72900.
All right.
I didn't know the guy's wife's name, and his name is Adam Dennis, but I thought it would be a lady's name. So anyway, so Teresa says she's Teresa.
All right.
And there's her history. And she runs great. It's
That's
a really,
incredible.
really good running car.
That's really, really nice.
It's great to have all that stuff.
Yeah, I love
Look
all
at this, and it matches the car,
And it matches the car.
and your shorts match the car.
And the shorts match.
You're ready to roll. Look at that. Styling. Thank you, Peter. We'll get the car up here in a minute.
Okay.